Most people believe that becoming a millionaire begins with finding the perfect investment, earning an unusually high salary, or discovering an opportunity that others have missed. Yet, when researchers examine the financial lives of self-made millionaires, a different pattern consistently appears. The dividing line is often less about extraordinary income and far more about ordinary decisions repeated over many years. The difference is subtle enough that it rarely attracts attention in the beginning, but powerful enough to produce dramatically different outcomes decades later. Imagine two people who begin their careers at the same age, earn similar salaries, and live in the same city. During the first few years, their financial lives appear almost identical. They rent similar apartments, drive similar cars, and receive similar pay raises. From the outside, there is little reason to believe that one of them will eventually accumulate substantial wealth, while the other will continue living paycheck to paycheck. The separation begins quietly, hidden inside dozens of small choices that rarely seem important on any single day. Behavioral economists have long observed that people naturally place greater value on immediate rewards than future rewards. A purchase that creates satisfaction today often feels more meaningful than money that remains untouched for years. This tendency is not a personal weakness, but a deeply rooted psychological bias that affects nearly everyone. The challenge is that financial systems reward delayed gratification far more generously than they reward immediate consumption. Every dollar that is invested has the opportunity to generate future returns, while every dollar permanently spent loses that opportunity forever. The mathematics behind this process is surprisingly simple. Suppose two individuals each earn the same annual income, but one consistently saves and invests 15%, while the other gradually spends every raise through lifestyle upgrades. Neither decision seems dramatic from one month to the next, yet over 20 or 30 years, the difference compounds. Investment returns begin generating returns of their own, creating growth that accelerates over time. Meanwhile, higher spending requires continuously earning more simply to maintain the same lifestyle. What began as a small gap slowly becomes a wide financial distance. History provides similar examples on a much larger scale. Families, businesses, and even entire societies that consistently reinvest productive resources often experience long-term growth that appears remarkable only after decades have passed. The process rarely feels exciting while it is happening because compound growth is slow at first, then increasingly powerful as time and consistency reinforce each other. Most people underestimate this pattern because the human brain naturally thinks in straight lines, while wealth tends to grow through exponential relationships. This helps explain why becoming a millionaire is rarely the result of a single breakthrough. It is more often the outcome of building systems that make disciplined financial decisions easier than impulsive ones. Income certainly matters, but habits determine how much of that income survives long enough to compound. In the end, the people who eventually reach significant wealth are not always those who earned the most. They are often those who understood that money is less a measure of status than a tool that becomes more valuable when given enough time to work.